The rules that govern the appointment of a Supreme Court justice are simple and straightforward. All the hype and lies you have heard from Democrat politicians and the media, particularly the fake media, should be ignored if you want to understand the process. The procedure for appointing a justice is provided for by the Constitution. In a short sentence, in Article 2, Section 2, Clause 2 of the U.S. Constitution, which is also known as the Appointments Clause, the Constitution states that the President, and I'll quote, shall nominate and by and with the advice and consent of the Senate, shall appoint judges of the Supreme Court. To receive appointment to the court, a candidate must first be nominated by the President and then confirmed by the U.S. Senate. If the President and Senate are of the same party, the process can be done smoothly and efficiently. I did not say that there would not be a lot of unethical and immoral mudslinging during a Senate Judiciary Committee hearing on the nominee. The Democrats will make it a circus. Under the Senate's current rules, the nomination is sent to the Senate Judiciary Committee. The Republican-controlled Senate Judiciary Committee will vote on whether the nomination will be sent to the full Senate for a vote of approval. Since the Republicans control the committee, the nominee will be approved by the committee. When the nomination is presented to the full Senate for consideration, it is placed on its executive calendar. The Senate Majority Leader, Mitch McConnell, decides how to approach the voting process. The Republicans have 53 seats in the current Senate, and Vice President Mike Pence would vote to break a tie vote. So 50 votes are needed to confirm the nominee if the full Senate is present and voting. So let's repeat the simple two rules needed for an individual to receive the honor of being a Supreme Court justice. To achieve appointment to the court, a candidate must first be nominated by the President and then confirmed by the Senate. Today, a Republican president nominated an individual for the empty position on the Supreme Court. The next step is to receive approval by the U.S. Senate. The U.S. Senate is controlled by a Republican majority. The Republican majority will approve the Republican president's nominee. The Democrat statements that a nominee cannot be named and approved in an election year is a lie. The Democrat statements that appointing and approving a nominee in an election year is unconstitutional is also a lie. So just remember the two rules. 1, appointed by the President, and 2, approved by the Senate. When listening to the lies, you will hear about the process from the fake news and unethical politicians. Have a good day.